Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, go ahead and open up a contact chat. So it's going to take you right here. You can record message or picture or anything you send to a contact in your WeChat. Maybe you mistakenly sent something. Let's say, for instance, I make a type now, and this is not what I intended to type, and I send. So once you send, you can recall back this particular message before the recipient reads the message. And for that, click on Option. This is going to pump up. Click on record right here, and the message has gone. It's that simple. You can use it for as many as possible, any message you mistakenly send in your WeChat app. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.